All right, Jasmy Army, are we still there? Are we still there? Because Jasmy is presenting some amazing buying opportunities. Now, in today's video, we're going to go and we're going to check out the market. We're going to find out whether or not we should be accumulating Jasmy at these prices. Now, before we do get into that, guys, make sure all of you have paused the video. If you're new to the channel, come and join the family. Go and drop me a subscribe. Let's get into it. Alrighty, guys. Who likes this? Who likes the look of this? Who likes the green? Now, guys, if you cannot handle this, then you don't deserve this, guys, okay? At the end of the year, going into next year, the majority of our coins on crypto bubbles, they're going to be up. They're all going to be 100+% up if you accumulate in accumulation time like we are in now for so many coins, and Jasmy is one of them. We're currently in a bit of a market dip at the moment. Just as I turned on the camera, Bitcoin decided it wanted to go straight to 60k and leave the altcoins in the red, guys. But we have to take emotions out of the market. We have to just buy when it is time to buy. And with Jasmy, it's looking like it's time to buy. Oh, as we always do, we will go to our trading view at the end of the video. But we have so many charts for Bitcoin, and one very similar to Rex Capital here. Now, the Bitcoin post-halving danger zone, purple, is over. And look at the purple, guys. Before and after every halving, we've had volatility. I've said it to you time and time again, guys. Post-halving, pre-halving volatility. I've said it about 1,000 times on this channel. And that is why in these times of corrections, we shouldn't really be getting too emotional. And then when we go and take a look at the Jasmy to BTC pairing, you can see that the bulls and bears are fighting it out. Resolution coming at the end of this month. Let's keep a close eye on Jasmy. Are we going to start to have a fall in Bitcoin dominance like we've been waiting for the next leg of altcoin season, guys? Because I think that is what's to come. And again, we need to be keeping a close eye on not only the USD pairs, but also the BTC and the ETH pairs for our altcoins. And now, why are we going to be buying Jasmy? Why are we so bullish? Why is there another reason today? Guys, just in, Japanese public company Metaplanet bought an additional 19.87 Bitcoin. The company holds now over 117.7 Bitcoin. Yes. Listen, guys, I said I put a little post in my members club yesterday, and I said, let me just show you. Alrighty, guys, so I did a bit of a little mini lecture last night, and I told all these guys what I'm doing in the market, what exactly I'm focusing on, the specific coins I'm focusing on, the sectors, my portfolios, all that stuff. But just a little short bit from the end, what I wanted to say to all of you guys, and a lot of you guys will feel me on this one as well. Look, guys, I truly believe that we're going to kill it in this run, and I know some newer coins are boring, and many gains have been lost, but the fact we are now in the true global adoption phase of crypto, this pullback will be very, very, very quickly forgotten in the next leg, and that is facts. Nobody talks about the pullbacks at 20k, 30k, 40k, and they won't give two shits about this when we hit 80k. Yes, I'm excited. You guys should be excited too. And guys, if Japanese public companies are investing into Bitcoin, what type of coins do you think they're going to invest into next, guys? Wow. Just as we open the trading view, guys, we actually tracked this on the members club like last week, maybe the week before, okay? And we said, when was this? This was the 3rd. So this would have been from last week. I said that we have this fair value gap to be filled, okay? And we can't really be excited for the uptrend to resume until we do break this 67k and then flip it into support. So the change of character, guys, is going to be around there, okay? So we need us to break above this previous high, flip it into a new low, and that will be the change of character complete, and then we can start to get more bullish on Bitcoin and then on alts as well. But you can see here we're having quite a big crash right now. I mean, what is this candle? This candle is like a minus 4% candle right now. And if you hadn't tracked this, you wouldn't be expecting this pullback, guys. If you haven't noticed the fair value gaps that needed to be filled, then you probably would be buying up here and you'd be crying right now that we're trying to fill this fair value gap. So again, we're tracking this on the members club. If you guys need help on when we're buying, what prices are good to accumulate at, then you guys can go and check that out. But we were well prepared for this, guys. And does it mean that we're having an amazing opportunity as I record this video for Jasmy? Let's go check it out. Right, guys, bit of a messy chart, but I don't really want to touch this thing too much. I like to keep it the same so that you guys can go back to old videos and you can see that nothing has changed. And we've been tracking this, and it's basically respecting what we planned out, guys. Now, we found resistance here, and we're coming down to buy one at 1.75 cents, okay? This is way, way, way higher than what we got earlier this year, okay? And this wasn't like a members club only thing. We covered Jasmy when it had this fat crash back down to here, guys, okay? And I said, let's just buy now because it is going to get parabolic very quick. And it has. Now we are in a channel of accumulation. Okay, so say goodbye to these old prices. At the very, very, very luckiest for you guys, you're going to get this fair value gap here filled, and you can probably get a 1 cent JASMY. Okay, now that's if Bitcoin wants to absolutely shit its pants all the way sub 60, probably going down to like low 50s, if I'm completely honest with you. So that doesn't have to happen. That is probably hopium because everybody will just eat that up. And again, if it does happen, then you may not be guaranteed to be able to just go and spot buy seeing it if you get a notification on your phone, because it may just wick off. So one thing that I'd recommend to you guys is if you have a bit of spare capital and you're thinking, okay, right, I would love some 1 cent JASMY in case if it does come, then I'd place some buy orders here. I've got some buy orders exactly here. If that does get filled, if a wick does come down, then I can be asleep and I can just let it buy it for me. So again, you can do that for buying and selling, guys. But right now we're finding resistance here. Look, we haven't really got anything to be bullish about yet until we do break and we have our change of character above 2.5 cents. That is what I will be looking for JASMY. Now, this is an amazing opportunity, guys, and you need to take this seriously. You need to take your emotions out of the market now and realize that I know it's down and I know it's boring and I know we've been going across for 3 months now. Okay, we've been accumulating sideways for 3 months, but this is necessary in the bull run if you want to be making the 10x plus gains. If you're happy with 300% gains, cool, trade that one leg and then get out, no problem. But the majority of us are here for the big money, guys, and the big money is not made in one leg, it is made in multiple legs, 2-3 legs. Okay, over a year, over years. I've been accumulating for nearly 3 years now from the start of the bear market, and many of you guys have as well. So again, if you're going to be making life-changing wealth, it is not made overnight. It is not made in just one rally. It takes a few rallies, guys. If you take profits up here and you buy back in here, I mean, you can do that, but you probably will get caught out at the end of it, guys, because it is not guaranteed how low a pullback will go, okay? So hodling is probably the best bet for all of you guys. But today I picked up some JASMY, guys, so let me know what you are doing. I'll be waiting for buy 2. I'll be waiting for that fair value gap to be filled, potentially. We will see. It may not happen, but it'll be good to look back at this video if it does get filled. Now, let me know what your plan is for JASMY. Let me know how you're feeling about the general market. And again, if you got this far, make sure to pause the video, go run up the lights, go and drop me a sub. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, guys.